Exams are an important part of academic life, and the key to success is preparation. However, many students struggle with creating a study plan that is effective and efficient. In this guide, we will provide a step-by-step process for creating a study plan that will help you prepare for your exams. Step 1. Identify your goals. The first step in creating a study plan is to identify your goals. Ask yourself what you want to achieve by the end of the semester or the exam. Do you want to achieve a certain grade or improve your overall understanding of the subject? Once you have identified your goals, you can begin to plan your study strategy. Step 2. Assess your current knowledge. Before you can begin studying, it's important to assess your current knowledge of the subject. This will help you identify areas where you need to focus your studies. Review your notes from class, homework assignments, and any previous exams to identify areas where you may be struggling. Step 3. Create a study schedule. Creating a study schedule is essential to staying organized and on track. Start by identifying your exam date and working backward from there. Determine how much time you have to study each day, and allocate your time accordingly. Be sure to schedule breaks and time for other activities to avoid burnout. Step 4. Determine your study resources. There are a variety of study resources available, including textbooks, online resources, and study groups. Determine which resources will be most helpful for you and incorporate them into your study plan. Make sure you have all the necessary materials before you begin studying. Step 5. Set realistic study goals. Setting realistic study goals is important to avoid feeling overwhelmed or discouraged. Break your study plan into smaller goals, such as completing a certain number of practice questions or reading a chapter of your textbook each day. Celebrate your accomplishments along the way to stay motivated. Step 6. Focus on difficult topics first. It's tempting to focus on topics you already understand well, but it's important to tackle difficult topics first. This will help you avoid last-minute cramming and ensure you have a solid understanding of all the material before the exam. Step 7. Practice, practice, practice. Practice is key to exam preparation. Review past exams and practice questions, and make sure you understand the reasoning behind each answer. Use online resources or study groups to get feedback on your performance and identify areas for improvement. Step 8. Review and revise. As you get closer to the exam date, it's important to review and revise your study plan. Make sure you have covered all the material and that you feel confident in your understanding of the subject. Review your notes, practice questions, and any other study materials to ensure you are fully prepared. Step 9. Take care of yourself. Studying for exams can be stressful, but it's important to take care of yourself. Get enough sleep, eat well, and take breaks when needed. Avoid cramming the night before the exam and trust in your preparation. Conclusion: creating a study plan can seem overwhelming, but by following these steps, you can develop an effective and efficient plan for exam preparation. Remember to stay organized, set realistic goals, and focus on your areas of weakness. With dedication and hard work, you can achieve your goals and succeed on your exam.